Alright, saving PNGs in Photoshop is very simple. File, export, and then you don't even have to hit export as. You don't have to go to save as. It's right here. Quick export as PNG. Right there, you make sure you name your file, whatever you need to name it, and that is the only file type in here, PNG. Make sure you're saving it to the right place. I'm going to go to desktop and hit save. Now, it's saved as a PNG, but the trick is a PNG has an invisible background. I didn't have an invisible background when I made it. So if I open up that document right now inside of Photoshop, you can already see it here. It's got a purple background to it, right? So I need to get rid of that purple background before I export. File, export, quick export as a PNG. I'm going to save that. Make sure you name it correctly again. Opening up that file, I can see I no longer have that purple, but does that mean it's a PNG? Let's open it up here, hit return, and I can see that this, with everything else turned off, is an invisible number 1, no background to it. This is a real PNG. Online, you're going to see a lot of things that are marked as PNGs that still have a background like this one. That's because some people just don't understand PNGs. I'm going to be honest with you. They may even still have this checkerboard pattern behind them, but it still functions as a JPEG. You have to actually still delete this stuff out. It's not invisible. So PNGs are an odd file type for a lot of people. To make sure yours are actually functioning correctly, if you bring them into Photoshop and move them around like this, and that grid behind them doesn't move, you've made your PNG correctly. Good job.